Hello. Today we're talking about vitamins. What are vitamins? Vitamins are organic compounds that the body cannot produce, and therefore we need to obtain them from the foods we eat. They are a micronutrient, meaning that though they are needed for the body to properly function, they are only needed in small quantities. Vitamins are important for a variety of bodily functions, to include digestion, bone health, immune system support, growth, and reproduction, to name a few. There are 13 vitamins that are considered essential for proper body function, and they are generally grouped as fat-soluble or water-soluble. We'll discuss each of these groups and the individual vitamins in the next slides. Vitamins A, D, E, and K are soluble in fat. When we ingest foods or supplements containing these vitamins, any excess is stored in the liver and other tissues in the body. Because of this, we do not need to continuously consume them. In fact, excess consumption of food sources rich in these vitamins could lead to certain health conditions. Let's talk a little more about these fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamin A is great for good vision and is necessary for proper bone health and growth. This vitamin also plays a role in reproduction and is known to be a good antioxidant. We can obtain vitamin A from carrots, spinach, and beets. Vitamin D helps with the absorption of calcium and, as a consequence, is needed for bone health. This vitamin also helps regulate the amount of calcium in blood and helps with proper muscle and nervous function. Vitamin D can be obtained from dairy sources, salmon, and sardines. Exposure to sunlight is needed to help convert a vitamin D precursor that is found in our skin into a version of vitamin D that the body can absorb. So don't forget to go out in the sun, safely, every now and then. Vitamin E is another fat-soluble vitamin that is a great antioxidant. We can get our daily requirements by eating seeds, nuts, grains, fruits, and veggies. The last of the essential fat-soluble vitamins is vitamin K. This vitamin plays an important role in blood clotting and can be obtained from eating leafy greens. Water-soluble vitamins, as the name implies, dissolve in water, and unlike fat-soluble vitamins, these are not stored by the body. If we consume more than is required, they are transported to the kidneys for removal. Because any excess is removed from the body, it is important to consume sources of these vitamins daily in order to maintain the bodily requirements. Some sources include nuts, legumes, whole grains, pork, and leafy greens. Regardless if a vitamin is water or fat-soluble, the human body only needs small amounts. When you eat a balanced diet, there's rarely a need to supplement at all. But certain medical conditions, malabsorption disease, poor intake, pregnancy, and lack of sunlight may make it necessary to supplement with additional vitamins and minerals. In addition to people with these and other medical conditions, these groups of people could also benefit from dietary supplements. Vegetarians may want to consider taking additional vitamin B12. Mothers who are breastfeeding should consider supplementing with additional vitamin D after the first few months. Women who are considering becoming pregnant can benefit by taking folate and other prenatal vitamins. Elderly people who do not eat enough or don't eat well-balanced diets could benefit from multivitamins. Anyone who doesn't go outside in the sun should consider a vitamin D supplement. In all cases and conditions, it's best to check with a registered dietitian or your doctor regarding supplementing vitamins in your daily diet. Supplements can interact with medications you may be taking and cause them to be inactive or hyperactive. Vitamins can also be an expensive investment and may not do much at all. Our bodies are complex, And the best way to get your essential vitamins is to eat whole, real foods that are high in nutrients and low in calories. If you're healthy and eat a well-balanced diet, chances are good you don't need to take additional vitamins.